Here's a SAS A330 from Copenhagen. There's a Dreamliner and there's Austrian. And there's a New York skyline in the distance. Oh, and there's a Star Alliance. Here's a United.
Yeah, there's your Star Alliance. You're right, a lot United, huh?
It's the only airline here.
Oh, I see. I see other SAS.
United Airlines 757 Golden Gate livery. Come on. About to pull into the gate is a 737-900. Not my flight. Not my flight. I wish it was my flight. United Airlines pushing back for Rome, Italy. 787-10 Dreamliner. Wait time is 9 hours and 15 minutes to Rome. Fun job. Pushing 787-10 Dreamliner, United Airlines pushing back from gate 138 for Rome, Italy. 9 hour and 15 minute flight. I'm about to get on my plane home. The San Francisco is heading out. I can tell because they're all boarded. They're all in line to board. Oh, and there goes a Dreamliner. To Rome, Italy.
No additional cost to you, at no cost to you. Please keep in mind,
So
once our flight crew tells us we have run out of overhead space, we will tag all carry-on bags thereafter.
okay, so this plane is a 777-300. It's going to across the Atlantic tonight. To Athens in Italy. But yeah, big jet. Oh, and one more thing also. There's a difference between continental and United Airlines. Continental does not exist anymore. So the only logical airline is United Airlines, which almost has the same logo. So please, don't call United Continental. It's bothersome to the plane spotters. I'm about to end after a short layover at Newark, New Jersey. I'm going back on one more flight, the gate behind me, to San Diego, the last leg of a long day. I started in Madrid, flew to Newark here, and now I'm taking one more flight to home. Then I can relax all week. So yeah, one more flight. This is a 737 MAX, a plane that is very controversial and I do not trust. It crashed twice within 5 months, grounded for 26 months, and killed 346 people. Is it safe? I don't think so. 230 people died actually. But is it safe? I don't think so. I put it to the test. So I'm hearing the term in the jetway, we can get off the plane, because right now it's a delay due to weather. We boarded 2 hours ago. They opened the door, they said a thunderstorm just came over the ramp, so we had to ground stop the ramp. So as of right now, we cannot push off the gate, so we're allowed to stand out in the jet bridge. But I'm like, we had a long day. I want to go home, but you can't control. But then again, safety comes first. You can't control Mother Nature. Alright, we're getting back on the plane. We're heading out.
I boarded the plane.
Yeah.
have to see if an Uber, I have to charge them. Not good.
Yeah, well, yeah, we got the ability.
So I'm on my way to San Diego. Here's the MAX. Great lightning show outside. Oh, it's bring your own entertainment, which I have my movies. And the legroom is great. 50 inches, 45 inches is pretty good. Okay, here's my drink I got. Cranberry juice. I'm on the final leg of a tiring trip. I'm on the homeward stretch. MAX9. I trust the plane now. I mean, this has to be confidence, but yeah. Great airline. I love United. One more thing also. Please review the safety card when you get in your seat. This is really important. It shows you everything you need to know in the event of an emergency. Please review it. From where to exit, from what brace position. Please review it. One more hour left. So here, I got apple juice for the last service. We are almost to San Diego. All the flights are delayed out of Newark. I had friends that were on San Francisco and they said they were delayed 3 hours. So you were delayed too.
Give me a can.
When I took off, The score of the final 4 game was Florida Atlantic 65, San Diego State 60. That was a lot when I was taking off. I was at the gate at Newark. I don't know who won, because I'm still on a plane. I will check when I get to San Diego, but I hope San Diego won. After what felt like a long travel day. I only had 15 minutes of sleep, but it's midnight. So yeah, a really great leg room. 35 inches. Good leg room. The tower, the San Diego Lindbergh Field Tower, is allowing our flight, United Flight 1450, to land after the curfew cutoff. There's a curfew cutoff at San Diego of 11:30. We are now landing at midnight. We're the last one in. But yeah, due to weather. But the one thing I learned in life is you can't control Mother Nature. Just let her do its thing. Like, there will be delays. Please be patient if you're flying. That's all I can say. Please bring your patience. So I made it home after a long day. I started in Madrid and now I'm in San Diego. I flew halfway across the world. Halfway across the world, yeah. Oh, the Aztecs won, by the way.
Yeah?
72-71.
Oh, wow.
Aztecs.
You know what? Ask the agent outside. You need to charge.
All right, thank you. Good flight. Thank you. Oh, by the way, 72-71 Aztecs. They're going on to the finals, which I think will be on Monday.